Beginnings are important. So important, it's the first noun in the Bible which starts with, "in the beginning." What follows are the heavens and the earth, water and life and humanity. And now we are here at the beginning of Spencer and Janine's married life. You've got a great beginning here, you two, and it's up to you to keep in your hearts that love and warmth given to you by God. Begin and end each and every day together with love, and you will enjoy an amazing marital life filled with joy and bliss.